man them know say, oh, the woman we are promoting. You see what I say? Yeah, kind of know. A special request them, I'm play them tune them to the end of me. What I school them, don't have time to let them know. How some of the yeah.
Get it up right now! Wait, give me it! Grip! 2006!
Say it's right about now!
Yo, TikToker, I spin proper. A John Bliss hip-hopper, a quick shotter. I know them gal only want me for the big cocker. You know I only want them gal for the big knocker. I was hungry but I only had a big whopper. That's why I'm trying to make some money like a big sucker. Man, the money, man, don't want a big chopper. Man, the money, man, it's up a hit copper. You ain't a flosser, you man, a big tosser. You little tosser, it's time to make the big bosser. A whole a piece and a half of a one slusher. All my beans in the dance will be much posher.
Right about now!
Man, I still chopper. You man are losing it, I'm doing it like Big Popper. That's why I hunt ya, now furthermore I will pop ya. You hear the sound on my TikToker, yeah.
Awake another day, feeling so brand new. Not a cloud in the sky, all I see is light blue. Perfect view with a new sunrise hung low. The warmth feels so good, deep down in my soul. I got that glow like Bruce Lee, boy, showing up. Head over heels like a B-boy, hold my own self up. No liquor filled pink cup, just a bottle of water. Don't want the karma of having a hoe for a daughter. Play father to my pen, this is my birthright. The only seed that I'm planting, all these lyrics are right. This is the life I said yes to, path I've been blessed through. Been saved, there's no need for rescue. Had a test or two, passed them all with flying colors, red and yellow like the roses in the hands of lovers. More than just another brother with a hope and a dream. I'm here to stay all the way into the vision of scene. I feel it, this music in my mind is so beautiful. I feel it, this music in my heart is so beautiful. I feel it, this music in my soul is so beautiful. I'm not letting it go, I'm not letting it go. Took a walk down the yellow brick road, spray painted in gold. My journey's been warm, windy and cold. Found a peace deep down in my soul that so many don't know. To grow, I had to learn to let go. A visual artist, painting pictures with words. Speaking to you or through the speakers I'm heard. Every corner that I turned, I did not take blind. So any and all life's happenings are not a surprise. For me to define life, I gotta define me. Any day the time, it's so hard to be free. Be me, be real, be true and alive. Be forever, be clever, be black and die. I can't rise when I weigh me down. Walking on water's impossible when drowning in sound. Found myself in a moment of unclarity. Laid my heart at your feet, walk carefully. I feel it, this music in my mind is so beautiful.